Stop wasting time with Japanese in 2026. Kyo kara kantan ni raku ni Nihongo hajimimashou. Today I will show you the easiest way to start Japanese in 2026, especially for English speakers, and how to use AI as your partner Japanese coach. Minasan konnichiwa, Lingua Asiano Hasan desu. I'm also a language learner like you. If you stay with me until the end of this 5-minute video, you will know 3 things clearly. First, how to start Japanese step by step in 2026. Second, what Japanese pattern to use and when to use them as an English speaker. Third, how to use AI correctly so it helps you not confuse you. Let's get started. Saisho ni mondai kara hanashimasu. The first big problem for English speaker is this. Nihongo wa muzukashii. Japanese is hard. Maybe you heard that, but the truth is different. Japanese is not hard. Japanese is different. English love tenses and word order. Japanese love pattern and context. So if you try to translate English directly, you feel lost. If you learn pattern, everything becomes lighter. ここで一番簡単な2つのパターンを見せます。I will show you the 2 most important patterns, verbal pattern and nominal pattern. This is also the heart of my VENOM formula. Verbal means action sentence. Nominal means description sentence. If you understand this from day 1, you stop asking why all the time and you start using Japanese naturally. At the beginning, this is all you need. The pattern is just subject plus verb plus must. For example, watashi wa tabemasu. I eat. Watashi wa benkyou shimasu. I study. Watashi wa ikimasu. I go. For daily life, this simple pattern is enough for hundreds of sentences. In 2026, your goal in the first month is very simple. Learn 10 or 20 basic verbs and put them into this must pattern. Next, nominal pattern. This is for description, identity, and opinion. The pattern is subject plus noun or adjective plus desu. Watashi wa gakusei desu. I'm student. Kono eiga wa omoshiroi desu. This movie is interesting. Kyo wa samui desu. Today is cold. Again, this one pattern gives you so many sentences. So in the beginning, don't think I must learn all Japanese grammar. Think like this. Today, I practice verbal pattern with must. Tomorrow, I practice nominal pattern with desu. 2 days, 2 pattern. Repeat. Your brain starts to feel that Japanese is logical and simple. But Hasan, this sounds good, but how do I practice every day? Here's where 2026 is special. We have AI. You can use AI as patient Japanese partner who never get tired, but you must use it in the right way. Let me give you a very clear routine. Step 1. Every day, choose one small situation from your real life. For example, ordering coffee, introducing yourself, talking about your job. Step 2. Ask AI in English to create only 5 example sentences in Japanese using these 2 patterns, must and desu, for that one situation. For example, you are my Japanese coach. I'm complete beginner. Give me 5 simple Japanese sentences using must and desu about ordering coffee with romaji in English translation. AI will give you something like this. Watashi wa kohi o nomimasu. I drink coffee. Kohi wa atsui desu. The coffee is hot. Watashi wa americano o chūmon shimasu. I order an americano. Koko no kohi wa oishii desu. The coffee here is delicious. Watashi wa mainichi kohi o nomimasu. I drink coffee every day. These are exactly our 2 patterns, verbal with must, nominal with desu. Step 3. Use AI for shadowing. Ask it, please say these sentences slowly in Japanese so I can repeat after you. The AI voice or reading function can help. You listen, you repeat 3 to 5 times. This trains your mouth and ear, not only your eyes. Step 4. Use AI to check your own Japanese. After shadowing, write your own original 3 sentences for the same situation using must and desu. For example, watashi wa asa kohi o nomimasu. I drink coffee in the morning. Then type to AI. Please correct my Japanese sentences and explain it in simple English. Now AI becomes your checker and mini teacher. This is the big difference between old method and 2026. Before, you only memorized from books. Now, you create your own Japanese and AI gives you instant feedback. You don't need a perfect textbook schedule. You need a daily pattern schedule. Now let's connect this to VENOM formula so you remember it easily. VENOM means verbal nominal. In Japanese, verbal pattern is all your must form. Nominal pattern is all your des sentences. When you watch anime, dramas, or YouTube, play a small game. Every time you hear must, think verbal action, ven. Every time you hear des, think nominal, description, nom, venom. Verbal, nominal, two pillars of Japanese. Once your brain starts to hear this different, you stop panicking about Japanese grammar. You think like this, this is just a verbal sentence with must, or this is just nominal sentence with des. Even when you learn more advanced form later, like tag form or plan form, they are still inside these two big families, verbal or nominal. The foundation is the same. Let's imagine your result if you follow this from today. After 1 week, you can introduce yourself and your job using des sentences. After 1 month, you can talk about your daily routine using must sentences. After 3 months, with daily AI practice, you can handle many simple conversations, even if your vocabulary is small, because your patterns are strong. So here is your bottom line. In 2026, don't start Japanese with fear or random apps. Start with two clear patterns, verbal and nominal, and use AI as your personal assistant to repeat, correct, and explain. Small daily practice with clear pattern beats big motivation with no structure. If you want help to continue this journey, I made a free Japanese pattern guide for beginners that explain the VENOM formula for Japanese with more examples of must and des that you can practice with AI. Check the link below after you finish this video. And if you want more logical Japanese lesson like this, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video about Japanese and other Asian languages. Mata, tsugi no benkyou de aimashou. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.